toys in here, guys. Wadidaw, all of them is superhero Avenger action figure, guys. Very nice. Wow. Let's take and view one by one, guys. Let's go. Wadidaw, look at this. This is Ant-Man action figure. Very nice, very strong. Wow, this is Iron Spiderman action figure. Wow.
I will be your man, Spider.
Spiderman so big.
Oh, you're right.
Very strong, very nice, guys. Wow, look at this. This is Iron Man action figure. Wow, very strong, very scary, and very nice. Look at this. This is Superman action figure.
Bad idea.
Wow. Very nice. Very strong. Look at this. This is Captain America action figure. Very nice, very strong, and so nice. Look at this. This is Thanos action figure. Very scary, very strong, so nice. This is Hulk action figure. Very scary, very strong, and so cool. Look at this. This is Batman action figure.
Thank you. Now get lost. You get lost.
Very scary, guys. Very strong and nice custom. This is Captain America action figure. Very nice, very strong, and so cool. Wow, this is Batman action figure.
Thank you, Daddy.
Very scary, very nice custom, guys, and very strong. Look at this. This is Spiderman action figure. Very nice, very strong and nice custom, guys. Look at this. This is Hulk action figure. Very scary, very strong, and so cool. Wadidaw, look at this. This is Superman action figure. Wadidaw.
Superman laser. Yeah, 4 down, 1 to go.
Wadidaw. Nice custom, guys. Very strong and very scary, guys. Wadidaw, look at this. This is Hammer Thor.
Zamon.
Wadidaw, very nice, very strong. Wadidaw, this is Iron Man mask. Wow, very strong, very nice. This is Spiderman mask. Wadidaw, very nice, very strong. Wow, this is Captain American Seal. Wadidaw, very nice, very strong.